Hello my darlings, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sonam and today I have a brand new subscription box to unbox and review in this video. The subscription is named as Lavanya and it's very affordably priced at just Rs 299 plus 50 for shipping. It's partially personalized. I will be showing you all the choice options. So without any further delay, let's start unboxing. Please click the red subscribe button and the tiny little bell button right next to it so that you don't miss any of my videos. This is how the package has reached me. So this is how the box looks like. It's a nice and sturdy brown cardboard box and it has their logo or name on it. Very simple but nice classy box. And once we open, we have some cards and the info card. So here it says, thank you for subscribing with us. Hope you will enjoy your purchase. Do subscribe for next month too for more affordable products. Love, Team Lavanya. And here is how the products have come. I love the packaging. This is so cute, super cute guys. So let's quickly go through the products now. So at first we have two products from our very well-known brand and very famous brand for subscription boxes. It's none other than Fuchsia, and first product here is Natural Skincare Citrus Blast Orange Lemon Soap Free Face Wash of 50 ml. Cost of this product is 250 rupees and best before 24 months from May 2018. The ingredients are mentioned here. It has a very nice tangerine color, like orangish red color, and I love the fragrance. It's like a citrusy fragrance and it's so refreshing, especially during summertime. I love this product. I'm definitely happy to receive it. You can take it on your trips as well if you're going for a long time, or you can just use it at your home. It is a deluxe size and I'm definitely happy with this. Then you have a small lavender florets bath salt sachet. Here are the ingredients mentioned, and the cost of this 15-gram pack is just 75 rupees, and again best before 24 months from May 2018. Bath salts are like basic, they're very relaxing. I do like using them once in a while on weekends or on days I just want to chill and take out all the stress of my body and mind. Bath salts are the best way to do that. Now moving to the makeup section, the first product is a liquid lipstick and it has come seal packed, so I'm happy with that. So this is by the brand Glam 21. I have used another liquid lipstick from this brand and surprisingly this is actually very long stay one and it's super matte. I did like the product but the packaging was different that time. This is a new packaging and this is the Velvet Matte range. It says ultra smooth matte liquid lipstick, 6-gram product. I like the frosted finish packaging, and the shade I have received is 17 Blood Red and I have chosen the shade myself. You have a choice of shade for this product. This is how the doe foot applicator looks like. So this is how the shade number 17 Blood Red looks like and I'm very happy with the shade. It's a very nice cherry red shade. It does dry pretty quickly and it's very lightweight. I love the color payoff and pigmentation. It's so lightweight, you won't even feel that you're wearing something on your lips, but it will have such amazing color. I am already loving the lipstick. Seriously, I love the lipstick. The lipstick is still drying, but you can see it's drying to completely matte finish. Then the next product in makeup section is this ADS 24-hour long stay, the Crystal Kajal. This is how the packaging is. A nice purple packaging. 0.25 grams of product, our deepest black pigments. Price is 139 rupees, 24 hours long stay. Tips and how to remove are mentioned. Well, black kajal is so basic, I need not say anything about it. I guess everybody uses it. Until unless you're someone who does not use any makeup. If you ever use makeup, you are gonna use a black kajal or kohl and some lip pigments maybe. That's the most basic makeup in my opinion. So this is definitely good. This brand is also okay compared to the dupes that are being sent in affordable boxes. I would prefer getting some affordable brands like these. At least we are aware of the ingredients that goes into such brands, and at a price tag so affordable, I am definitely happy. Then we have this refreshing facial wipe by Shiny Day. It is the jasmine fragrant, a single piece sample kind of thing. You can keep it in your handbag and use it in emergencies. And now let's open this beautiful packaging, even though I don't really want to open this. Let me just try to slide off the earring from one side. Okay, I was able to do that. So this is a piece of jewelry, and again you have a choice of shade in this. So this is how the beautiful tassel earrings look like. These are beautiful danglers and I really like them. I chose this peach color. It's very elegant and classy color. They do have lots of colors: red, black, blue, and the basic colors. White is also there, I believe. I'll insert a picture right here so that you can see the color options available. So you can choose any one of them, but this color was so unique and so attractive. I really liked it. I'm not even sure if I have a dress in this color, but I liked it so much I'll probably buy a dress matching this earring. But this is such a pretty color. If I don't have a dress in this color, I must own one. And the quality and finishing of this jewelry piece is also good. So I'm definitely happy with it. So those are all the products in the June Lavanya box. Let's have a look at the info card. It's a handwritten note. It says Lavanya June month box edition. Glam 21 velvet matte liquid lipstick is for 239 rupees. Earrings are for 135. I feel that it's quite reasonably priced. Fuchsia face wash we already did is 250 rupees, and fuchsia bath salt also was mentioned as 75 rupees. ADS Kajal also it was mentioned as 139 on the pack itself. Then facial wipe and basket is complimentary. I actually love this basket. And then you get these products in just 299 rupees. And I believe it is an amazing box. Even though it's a new box, they have done pretty well. It's definitely value for money at a price tag of 299. I'm surely happy. They have given color choice in the earrings and the lipstick, and they have added a black kajal, a face wash, these basic products that everybody will use. Packaging was good. The box is simple but a nice sturdy one. They have sent an info card. So overall everything is quite impressive. For future, if they want to improvise, the only suggestion will be trying to get better brands in the box, although I'm pretty happy with what I have got this month, and I will give this box a big thumbs up. If any of you guys are interested in ordering this, then all details are mentioned in the description box below, so make sure you check it out. You will also find the link to the giveaway running on my channel, so if you haven't already, then please do participate. And there is a Insta giveaway coming up very soon on my Insta page. So if you're not following me on Insta, please do follow me there. The link is in the description box so that you will be able to participate there too. It's an Insta exclusive giveaway. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, then please don't forget to give this video a like and some love in the comment section below. It will encourage me to bring more subscription boxes on my channel. And if you haven't already, then please do subscribe to my channel. I would truly appreciate it. So that's all for today. I'll see you again next time. Till then, take care. Bye.